I've always been fascinated by the invisible world around us. Bacteria, those tiny microorganisms that outnumber us by billions, have a secret social life. You might think they just reproduce and divide, but they have their own way of sharing. Sharing genes, that is. How do they do it? And why should we care? Well, bacteria have developed some pretty clever tricks. They can swap genetic material through processes like conjugation, transformation, and transduction. It's like a microbial cocktail party where instead of drinks, they're exchanging DNA. This isn't just some harmless game. This gene swapping has serious implications, especially when it comes to antibiotic resistance. Bacteria are literally trading the tools they need to survive our medical attacks. And the really mind-bending part? This horizontal gene transfer can happen between different species of bacteria. It's as if you could suddenly acquire the ability to photosynthesize just by bumping into a tree. Or could you? This ability to share genes means bacteria can quickly adapt to new environments and challenges. It's a survival strategy that has allowed them to thrive for billions of years. And as we continue to develop new antibiotics, bacteria will continue to find ways to resist them. Understanding this gene-swapping behavior is crucial in our fight against bacterial infections. By studying how bacteria share genes, we can develop better strategies to combat antibiotic resistance. For example, phage therapy, which uses viruses to target specific bacteria, shows promise as an alternative to traditional antibiotics. Additionally, developing new antibiotics that bacteria haven't encountered before can help, but it's a race against time. Another approach is to use combination therapies, where multiple antibiotics are used together to reduce the chance of resistance. It's a microscopic battle with enormous stakes, and it's one we must win.